Hi student, good morning to all. Welcome to Nanda classes. Today we are discuss class 9 chemistry, each matter around a sphere. Now we are discuss the most important short type questions, the selective questions, and these questions cover the total chapter. So once again this chapter are revision. So that's why this video are most important for you. I hope all of you watch till the end of this video because this is the selective and most important short type questions which are come in your exam. So let's start the short type questions. The first questions is what is meant by pure substance. So pure means already we know okay what is pure substance. So the simply definition is the substance which is made up of only one kind of particles is called pure substance. For example, hydrogens, oxygens, sulfur, etc. प्योर सब्सटेंस क्या है जिसमें एक ही काइंड ऑफ पार्टिकल मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल हाइड्रोजन इन हाइड्रोजन atoms only the particles of hydrogen are present. In oxygen atom only the particles of oxygen are present. All the elements are example of pure substance. For example, iron. In iron all the particles of irons are made up of. Okay, only a single piece of iron we are taken, then every small particles of this one are the only irons. That's why the pure substance is made up of only one kinds of particles. Next, the second question, name the technique to separate. Okay, the separation technique last class also we had discussed because the separation technique short type questions will become. First, dyes in blue black ink. How can you separate the blue or black ink in dyes? So the color component we have to separate by the process of water chromatography. It is also most important. Okay, chromatography, by the process of chromatography we have to separate the different color pigment. Next, camphor and sand. We are discuss the camphor is an subliminary substance and sand is a non-subliminary substance, and the subliminary substance are separated from non-subliminary substance by the process of water sublimation. So their answer is a sublimation. Next, the different gases from air. We know that air is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and this air can be separated. For example, oxygen we have to separate it from air. Pure oxygen we can get by the process of fractional distillation. Okay, we had already discussed about what is fractional distillation. Next, butter from cream. So butter from cream we have to separate by rotate this one in the high speed, and this process are known as water centrifugation. Okay, in the centrifuge machines we have to separate butter from cream. Next, kerosene oil and water. Kerosene oil are not mixed with water. Okay, that's why we have to separate with the help of a separating funnel. Okay, so different layer are formed, water and oil. So we have to separate with the help of the separating funnel. Next, the number third question. Name the process used to obtain pure copper sulfate from impure sample. In which process we have to get pure copper sulfate from impure sample. The answer is the water crystallization. In crystallization process, we get the pure copper sulfate crystal. So crystallization क्या होता है? इसमें क्या होता है, इम्प्योर सैंपल लिया जाता है और उसको पहले वाटर में डिजल्व करके फिल्ट्रेट करना है. फिल्ट्रेट करने के बाद फिर उसको इवापोरेट करना है. एंड आफ्टर रीचिंग देयर crystallization point, then we have to cool it, then we get the pure sample of or pure crystal of this sample. And the next number 4 questions, tincture of iodine has antiseptic properties. How is it prepared? Tincture of iodine. About the tincture of iodine we have discussed. Okay. So tincture of iodine is prepared by the mixture of iodine and alcohol. Okay. Tincture of iodine is prepared by dissolving iodine in alcohol. And it is used as a antiseptic. That time we have to wound or injured this tincture of iodines we are used, and it is used as a first aid box. Next, number 5. Why particles in a true solutions cannot be seen with naked eyes? The particles of true solutions cannot be seen with naked eyes. Why? Because the particles of true solutions are very small in size, less than 1 mm. Okay, so less than 1 mm means it is very small in size. That's why our eyes are not visible. Next, the number 6 questions. What is meant by concentration of a solution? What is meant by concentration of a solution? The concentration of a solutions can be depend upon the amount of solid present in a given amount of solutions. Okay, is known as concentration of a solution. Suppose, for example, we are taken in a glass 50 ml water and another glass also 50 ml water. We are taken water in 2 glass. The glass 1 we are add 10 gram of sugar, and the glass 2 we add 20 gram of sugar. Then which one are the more concentration? Those one, the second one, because in second glass we add 20 gram of sugar. Okay, so more amount of solid are present, then the concentration is also more. Next, the question number 7. Define a solution. Give an example. Solutions. What are solution? This one already also know. Okay, solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Okay, homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Solute, what are the solid component? It is water, solute, and the liquid one, water, solvent. For example, the time where sugar in water, sugar solution are formed. Sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. Next, question number 8. Why do sky appear blue? Sky appear blue due to scattering of light by fine dust particles which are present in the atmosphere, and it is what a Tyndall effect. The phenomena of Tyndall effect is most important, and question will come. Okay, this one are the outside questions but related to your topic or chapter. That's why it is also most important questions. The sky appear blue due to the scattering of light. Okay, the light are scattered by the fine dust particles which are present in the atmosphere, and due to this reason the sky appear blue. Next, the number 9 questions. Define evaporation. Evaporation is the process of conversion of a substance from a liquid state to a gaseous state is called evaporation. That time we are boiling water, the water are changing to water vapor. This is water evaporation. Okay. Next, the question number 10. Write two properties of a colloid. The colloid is also most important. Their properties. The first one, colloid is a heterogeneous mixture. What are colloid is a heterogeneous mixtures. And the second one, the size of particles of colloids is too small to be individually seen by naked eyes. Okay, the particles of colloids are very small in size. Next, the question number 11, define Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect is short time when one mark question will come in exam. Then what are we write? The scattering of light by colloidal particles is known as Tyndall effect. Okay, and also the Tyndall effect are formed when in a dark room the light are come in a hole, then the particles of the dust particles are visible. Then this is also Tyndall effect. When we are the dense canopy of forest, that time the sun rays are pass. Then this one, that time also the Tyndall effect are formed. Next, the question number 12. Write two application of centrifugation. Centrifugation process in where are used. First one, in washing machine to squeeze out water from wet clothes. घर में जो वॉशिंग मशीन यूज करते हैं उसमें क्या होता है, वाटर को स्क्वीज कर लेता है, तो जो हमारा वेट क्लॉथ्स है वो इजीली और इन ए शॉर्ट टाइम दे विल ड्राई. द सेकेंड वन, इन डेयरी एंड होम टू सेपरेट बटर फ्रॉम क्रीम. और किसमें यूज होता है सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन? बटर और क्रीम को सेपरेट करने में. नेक्स्ट, डिफाइन मिक्सर. मिक्सर क्या होता है? ये मिक्सर इज द मोस्ट important topic that is in the mixer two type, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixers. For the definition of the water, the combination of two or more pure substance to form mixers. मिक्सर में क्या होता है? टू और मोर ओके प्योर सब्सटेंस, दो और दो से ज्यादा प्योर सब्सटेंस मिक्स हो जाने से क्या फॉर्मेशन होता है? मिक्सर्स. जैसे कि एयर. इन एयर वाटर मिक्स ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड gases are present. Oxygen is a pure substance. Nitrogen also a pure substance. Both are mixed, then water form mixer. Seawater. In seawater, water, NaCl and any minerals are present. In minerals also many kinds of iron, copper, zinc, etc. are present. That's why this one are the mixture. Next, number 14. Define suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the solution. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture, and here what happens? The particles are not completely dissolved with the solutions. Okay, they are the settled down when we are undisturbed sometimes. For example, mixture of chalk powder in water. चॉक पाउडर को हम वाटर में घोल लेंगे तो कुछ टाइम के बाद चॉक पाउडर नीचे डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा और नीचे रह जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, द क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. व्हाट इज सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन? इट इज आल्सो मोस्ट important term, saturated and unsaturated solution. So saturated solution is water, a solution in which no more amount of solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is called saturated solution. इसमें कि जितना सोल्यूट डिजल्व होना चाहिए वो हो जाएगा, उसमें और सोल्यूट ऐड करेंगे तो अभी वो डिजल्व नहीं होगा एट ए गिवन टेम्परेचर में, तो उसको बोलेंगे सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. बट वन थिंग यू रिमेंबर, व्हेन वी इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर देन द सैचुरेशन लेवल आर इंक्रीजेस. ओके, so it is the 15 most important or short type questions. Okay, these questions are the selective one and it is related to your chapter each matter and on pure. I hope all of you understand all these questions, and any doubt please comment or contact with me. I hope all of you are stay home and stay healthy. Thank you for watching.